Alright guys, let's import here. We need Axios from Axios. Okay. You know guys, maybe it's better just copy paste going in a register. I'm just gonna take it again. We got the form. Just take all the form, control copy, not to write many things. Where is the register? Go till in login, go here, delete this form and put this form. We don't need the name. Okay, bye bye. Also go in register. We need right now these things, control copy, go in login. Okay, we need to bring the use state. Just do this and press this. Look, automatically you see the use state. Also, what another things? Let's go in register. I'm just gonna create the handle submit, control copy. Alright. Let's see what happened here. Okay, we want to deal with the login. We got login. Alright, and submit. Okay, let's deal with the login right now. So, we want of course we need the e.prevent default. Alright, we need a try catch. After this, let's go and create again the user. We need to put the email this time and password. Alright, after this we need const res await axios.post again. We need here to put the login this time and of course the user. Okay, and we need to import Axios. Import Axios. Okay. Let me see. We say again the same thing. If res.data, what we want to do two things here guys in login. First of all, save user data to Redux, and then save data to local storage. Okay, let's deal with the first thing. Redux and local storage, let's say. Storage, okay. Let's deal. So in we say window dot local storage dot set item. Alright, we need to give the value of auth and JSON dot stringify res dot data. Alright, after this we want to dispatch also right now to trigger an action right now. So for this reason we need some things here. Also let's import all these things. Import, come on, from React Toastify. Let's import the toast. Alright, we need the toast. Also I want to import from React router DOM. I want to use history in order to move in another route when something happens. So use history. Also we need import from React Redux. Use dispatch from. We need to use dispatch because we are going to trigger an action right now. Here, let's go and create const dispatch equal use dispatch. Okay. And right now we want to use the dispatch to trigger an action for Redux. So dispatch, we got objects here. The type is gonna be, we want the type, I'm gonna show you, and the payload is the data, is the res.data. Okay, we want to put here this data that we are gonna take from a request, and the type, look right now, where is the auth reducer? Okay, the type is gonna be logged in, this type. Control copy in order not to make mistakes. Logged in. So if the type is logged in, we want to put here the res.data. Okay, in reality we want to put the action.payload, okay, which is the res.data. Let's go right now. Where is the login? Okay, this is login. We dispatch this. And also let's make a log login user res.data. Right. Let's go also dealing with the catch. And after creating all these guys, we want something to happen. We want history dot push. We want to go history. Let me see. I have to create. Okay, let's define the history. Const history equal use history. Okay, nice. Right now let's go. After all these things, the local storage and the action, we want to go history dot push. We want to go in welcome. All right. log air here in catch. Now if air dot response dot status is exactly with 400 what we want. Toast dot error be air dot response dot data dot msg. We want to bring some message from the backend, all the message that we created, specific for each element. So let me see. Okay, let's give it a try right now, guys. I'm gonna say here OD, let's put something else, and here I'm gonna put let me see why. Email. It expects the email. What I'm doing, all this. Alright, let's try. And of course, user does not exist, go to register. Okay. Let's put the exact user. I got a user, OD. It's correct. What is gonna happen? Oh, OD. Alright, let's see. Okay, we went in welcome because the user, it is correct, guys. Okay, it is correct, the user. Let's go in login. OD. Alright. Register. And we see here, look, my mistake, I didn't change the name. I'm gonna tell you. So don't get confused with a register. Here is the login. Okay, it's the login. And look right now. We got in console the token and the user here. Alright. Can you see it, guys? Okay, I'm gonna reload it. As you can see, it hasn't been saved yet in local storage because I have to do something else. Let's try again. Login. Just gonna say OD. Alright, and I'm just gonna put the correct password. Look. You see here the token and the user. It's the exact token and user from here, from this. Okay, don't go into this right now. From this dude here. Alright. Also don't want this. I will keep only one user here. Alright. After this, guys, let's go. I'm gonna see what happened in the Redux right now. Okay, as you can see, we have here the token and the user in Redux. But if I reload, you will not see anything, guys. And press again. Look, you don't have the state because it hasn't been saved on Redux. Let's try and save it right now on Redux. Okay, I'm just gonna press the login here. Where is Redux? auth reducer. Okay. I'm just gonna say here, let saved state, let's say, okay, or saved state equal with, okay, no, I'm just gonna define it and say if local storage, if window dot local storage dot get item, if there is an item we want to take it, okay. If there is a auth, we want to take it, okay. So user saved state, okay. We want to be JSON dot parse window dot local storage dot get item. We want to get it, alright, if there is, with a name of auth. Else, what we want to return, we want the saved state to be equal with null, alright. And here we are gonna put here the save state right now. Let's see, let's give it a try. I'm just gonna put right now od.com. I'm just gonna put, let's see, we got it. Let's go in Redux, also we got it, okay. If I reload, as you can see, it stays on Redux right now, okay, in local storage, from local storage. Look, see, okay, right. After this, guys, let's go and create some protected routes. Alright, let me see. Also, as you can see in home, guys, because we got saved in local storage, we can bring it from Redux. Look, it's a token and a user. Look, of course we don't want to appear all these things here. Alright, let's go and in home right now. On home, where is the home? I don't want all this right now. I'll just put it here in order to see how works Redux. Okay, hello from home. And let's move and work right now with the protected routes here. We got a component who says, let's see, where is? Okay, why it is inside? I want it to be inside in components. Inside in components, the protected routes. Alright, let's go and deal with protected routes. In reality, I don't want all these things. Alright, just close it. delete it, and I'm saying closing. So we need to import root, let's see, from React router DOM. Alright, we need the root, also we need the redirect, right? Let's import a Redux right now. Import from React Redux. Okay, we need use selector because we want to bring things. We want to bring state. So const okay, protected root equal with, alright, and let's export. My mistake, I deleted all previously, so export pro, export, we need default protected root. Alright, let's see. Okay, we just want here all the rest. This is an example from guys spread. We are going to spread. This is the exact example from React router DOM if you go in documentation. So let's import auth from use select. We got the state, the initial state here, and state. We need all the state. And we need to return if there is auth and auth.token. What we want? We want to go in this route, and here we got the rest. Else, what we want? We want to redirect. Where? Let me put to login. Alright. So we work in reality. The protected root works with this data. If we got the auth and the auth token, we want to go in the rest here. If we don't have these things, we want to be in login. So let's go here in home. Okay, we don't need the home right now. Let's go, guys, on app here. Before going, I'm just gonna do something. Go in memory, storage. I'm going to delete right now all the storage. Delete all, because we haven't created the functionality. If I delete, okay, I don't see anything in Redux. State is null by default. Let's go in login. Okay, right now I'm going to protect what? I want to protect the welcome root. Alright, so for this reason, copy and just disable and just write protect the root. Okay, and here we want to have the component of of welcome. Alright, now this root is protected, guys. We don't have access here. If I go here and try to get access from welcome, in welcome, look. Oh, what I'm doing, no welcome. Oh, this null. Let me see. Of course, it's null. Let me see here. Okay, login. If I log in, OD. And of course, I don't redirect. Let me see. And as you can see, guys, when we write something, we don't redirect. The reason is because, yes, if you write, for example, alright, we got 1, 5, 6, we don't go anywhere. The reason is because I forgot to put this here. Right now it's correct. Alright, if I just write right now on okay, we are going to log in and we go in welcome in reality. Right now I'm just gonna create some functionalities, others. We are going to work with navbar. Let's go in navbar. Navbar, okay.